What's up, wonderful people? Welcome to Bali. We are currently at the Edge and we are celebrating our 16th anniversary, wedding anniversary. We're gonna enjoy this place and come and join us to explore this place. Let's go!
Let's go!
This place is very interesting. In order for you to come here, they have a very narrow road, and just out of nowhere we found the place. We are in the check-in area now. Are you ready?
Waiting, yes, so excited.
This is actually huge.
Yeah.
That's the private area here. Oh, yeah. I seriously don't know what to expect here. You know, this is my first time and I'm so excited. Whoa! It's not that crowded, it's nice here. It's not that crowded today, so it's nice. And it's nice weather too.
Nice. Yes, I love it.
I feel like people are looking at this.
Yes.
Yes?
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, man. Look at this. Whatever. Mana aja boleh?
Mau situ tak?
Kalau yang di sini dia full cover sih Bu. Kalau yang di sini umbrellanya cuma setengah-setengah.
Tapi nggak gitu panas kok. Ya, you pick lah. Ya udah.
Dan nanti kalau mau foto boleh kok ke tengah ke sini.
Ya.
Boleh. Nah, ini biar nggak kena kaki orang di atas. Iya.
Ya udah, sini aja.
Oke.
Terima kasih. Alright, seriously guys, look at this. Whoa! Now we all know why this place is called the Edge. We are on the private VIP area here. They have a bunch of private empty area, so we choose the one at the corner, so it's more even private. I think this is nice. If you pick that one here, you can see other people's feet. So I like this area better, so we picked the one in the corner. Something like this. Right here. Yeah, so the weather is nice. It's cloudy, it's not that hot, so we're gonna enjoy today. So, alright, so we got this drink here. I'm not sure what drink is this, but it tastes good. It's a watermelon. This tastes different, but it's good. Wet towel to clean your hand, and this is probably just a regular ice water. We have hand sanitized tissues, and this is the code for you to order food. We are so Indonesians. When we see sunlight here, we are trying to avoid the sun. The sun is getting more further away. It's gonna fall down here very soon. They're all enjoying the sun. It's just us. Happy wedding anniversary. You know me, I'm staying here in the shade. See? So we already ordered the food. It's very easy. Basically, just scan here and you order it from your phone and just wait. Seafood basket.
Oh yeah.
Seafood basket?
Yes.
Woo. Can you drink this though? You're pregnant.
The breeze.
Alright, the fried calamari, everybody. We're gonna squeeze this first with the line. Dip this in. Go. Let's try the shrimp, guys.
Oh,
Thank you.
look at this piece. Fresh fry. Really good. Sambal terasi.
Oh yeah? Platter here. Let's try this side. I think the fish with the pineapple. So I guess this is with the sambal sauce. Sambal terasi sauce. By the way, I'm gonna put the sauce here. Alright. Here we go. Wow, it's good. Tasty. We're gonna try the swimming pool now. I want to show you there's one hidden place here. It's very nice. And no one's here. Check this out. No one's here. It's a goal right in the middle. You can take a picture there. Alright, so we're gonna start with this area first. This is just amazing. You can sit over there. I can take some picture here. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more time. Keep going and see what's in there. There's need to be very, very careful here. This is amazing. I think you can hang out with that pool right there. But I guess you start from here and the pool goes away there. It's so nice. Amazing. Alright, let's go to the pool. Yeah, that's nice. There you go. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Bentar ya Mas, dia datang.
Come here, Cecilia.
Yeah.
Oh, this hand. Wow, this is nice, eh? Kamu kan dari sana ngambil, right? And then kita berdua sini. And then with that background, the background is nice.
Masalahnya wongnya di mana besok? Saya nyuruh orang.
We're taking 10-second pictures. Good spot here. We have take pictures. We're gonna helping around. So we've been taking 10-second picture here. One tip is you wanna take good picture, just two of you guys. Take turn, help each other out. That's super fun. See, this is another area here, but this is only for people who stay here.
Yeah, this is live.
Alright, what's up guys? So before anything else, I want to let you know where we actually live today in Bali for this occasion. We decided to rent the Airbnb here in Bali because we like to go everywhere, and I think it's best to stay places closest to where you actually want to go. Now here we are rented in Tabanan area, so let's go inside. We show you the tour. Let's go everyone.
Let's go.
Nice outdoor area. We have parking here. If you decide to rent a car, you have parking area. Let's go. Whoa.
Wow, so nice. And you.
This is nice. Oh, high ceiling.
Yes. Cool.
Oh, the kids want to check the pool now.
Very good. Oh, feels so good.
Alright, here's the kitchen. It's nice. The sink. We have some plates here. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. We also have a refrigerator here. That's nice. And we have microwave. Oh, we have the water dispenser.
Yes.
This is a plus here. There's a living area here. We also have TV.
Oh, so nice.
Oh, this is the powder. We call it the powder room. I'm curious about the bedroom. Let's check out the bedroom. Let's go.
Let's go first.
I like this place. It's like a high ceiling area here.
Very spacious and nice.
By the way, you see your bedroom here. This is probably a storage.
Yeah.
Ah,
Ooh, let's open it.
nice. Be careful.
Careful,
It's very spacious.
Yeah.
Look.
Wow, it's big.
Spacious.
Nice.
So if you are thinking to stay here, we're gonna put the link in the box description below. You can check it out.
Oh, by the way, they also have the clubhouse, the giant swimming pool. It's already included.
Forgot about that. We're gonna check that one too. And if I'm not mistaken, this area also very close to the beach.
Yes, you walk. It's only 5 to 7 minutes walking distance. We're also gonna check out the beach.
Let's go. We're looking for the other swimming pool on this area here. Found it. Big swimming pool here. Changing area, the shower. Alright. So they also have a kiddie area here. Oh, this is actually very nice. It's not that cold, it's warm. Whoa. I believe this clubhouse also have the fitness area. Here is the other clubhouse here. Oh, they do have swimming pool. Oh, this is about the same size.
Yeah, pretty cool. Good.
Gym area here. Like this.
Almost got emergency stuff.
Come on, you can do faster than this. I think we found the beach. Here we go. Alright guys, now let's get back to the edge. Let's go. Okay. No more pictures. Let's enjoy. Relaxing, bro. Look at the palm tree.
La presión en la habitación. Siente la presión en la habitación.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, consider to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Te lo di todo.